Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Today is the last trading day of the month and the last trading day of the second quarter. We had amazing volatility. Let me share with you guys how I help my trader to squeeze pips through live intraday analysis. As always mentioned guys, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I did today. As always mentioned guys, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD chart, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we've been short this week. If you look at my previous analysis, we had such an amazing journey. And all of my analysis, even if I can show you, this is the whole week of analysis of EURUSD. As you can see here, we had a long, then short, then short, then short, then short, even short today, and the short again, and then short again, and then long. You can see here we've been short here. So let's see the 4-hour chart, right? So today, if you look at here, that's what I explained to my trader. Price broken this, let me make it. So if price broken this previous low, so technically we were expecting a pullback at this level. That's what exactly happened. And we had a beautiful pullback short trade here. And as soon as the price hit this support level, supply demand area, so we just banked amazing profit. And explain my trader, if the price gonna break this level, then we're going to take a long, otherwise short. So we had such a beautiful short trade this morning, and we've been short here at the New York session. We've been long here. Let me explain to you guys how I analyze the entries and exit. If you look at the EURUSD intraday analysis, and if you look at this is the analysis I did at the Asian session. As you can see here, we had such a nice beautiful short trade here yesterday, as you have seen my yesterday analysis review. So after this, we are expecting another pullback around this level, which price nicely developed another pullback, bank beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the previous low level, and bank some profit, and said to my trader, let's wait for the in the London morning session. As you can see here, price reverse, and that's what you can see here in more detail in a live analysis. I explain in detail the price action. So technically we were expecting a pullback at this level, but there's still possibility price might going to break, and that's what I analyze the entries in intraday, as that's what I explained. We're only going to take a long if the price break and retest. You know, that's the safest way, aggressive breakout, but there's a still possibility because based on the 4-hour, we're expecting another pullback short trade here. And if the price develop pullback, so we can add another scaling and just keep taking a pullback. And as mentioned in the analysis, through live analysis, the target would be as soon as the price is going to hit to the red fib channel, which you can see here. Look, price nicely reverse at this level, at the resistance level. And I also announced the another scaling trade, add more trade here. And as soon as the price hit to the profit target in 4-hour major support level, and that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see here such an amazing beautiful short trade on EURUSD. And once the price hit to the target, and of course we were expecting possibility of reversal, and that's what I explained to my trader. Now we are looking for the entry, and that's what I explained to my trader, look for here, because you can see here the price develop. So first of all, if you look at here, the price develop a double bottom here, and second, price develop low high. And the safest trade, as mentioned, aggressive, you can take a breakout, but safest way, look for break and retest. That's what I explained to my trader with the live analysis. And once the price was about to break, with that's announced through live audio commentary, say guys, enjoy the ride again. As you can see here, price nicely broken. After that, as mentioned on the analysis, pullback, and as explained, look for here the first target. We'll see the price action at this level. If the momentum is bullish, then keep taking a pullback. You can see here pullback, 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 pullback. You can see as long as the momentum is bullish, as soon as the price hit to the previous low, which is broken, I explained my trader, it's time to guys enjoy some profit. We had an amazing trade at the end of the month, amazing trade. All right, so pound dollar, let's see here the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, we've been short here. We had this breakout, as you have seen my previous analysis. So this morning we have this pullback, as you can see here. Price nicely broken, exactly like a Euro USD. This pullback, we had a short trade here. At the New York session, we had a long trade here. Let me explain to you the entries and exit, guys. We had an amazing trade, guys, today, as you have seen it. Okay, so as you can see this morning, the price developed sideways market. That was a pretty straightforward. Price developed double top here. Price nicely came back, hit this level in 4 hour. That was the beautiful breakout short trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, that's what explained my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see at the New York session. And at the New York session, you can see here price develop another, and that's what explained my trader. Look here, we already have inverted head and shoulder pattern. So we expecting if the price gonna break, then we long. Otherwise, if the price gonna break short here. Momentum, look at the bottom, momentum was double bullish. That was a pretty straightforward breakout. After the breakout, we have another beautiful pullback long trade on pound dollar. After banking some profit, let's wait for another. As you can see, today was the last trading day of the month, so we have an impulsive move. I said to guys, look, wait for that. If the price gonna break this trend, then we will consider this one head and shoulder pattern. Otherwise, we are looking along because the price is above the 200 EMA, and we can see here very impulsive, reversal. As you can see here, price refused to break. As you can see here, this trend resistance line, price nicely broken, momentum is bullish. As said to guys, just take a ride and keep taking, and most of the traders still holding long on Euro USD, pound dollar, and short on dollar CAD. All right, so we had amazing trade on pound dollar. Let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, our bias was long until the New York session. As you can see here, we in a 4 hour, as explained my previous analysis, we were long. As soon as the price hit this level, we can see here rejection. At the New York session, we went short here, but we had a pullback long here until the. Let me explain to you the entries. If you look at these entries, that was the pretty straightforward, guys. If you look at the pound dollar CAD, this was the pretty straightforward. Momentum is bullish. Bias was long. At that time, we had a beautiful pullback long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, that's what explained my trade. It's time to enjoy some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. Then you can see price impulsively came back. But as I said to you, being an intraday, we are looking valid entry. As you can see here, the price nicely broken this previous high and take another long trade here, which we came out. This trade we came out at the break even because we were expecting nice move, but price impulsively came back, which we came out at the break even. As you can see here, once the price impulsively came back, we have this confirmation. Candle was closed, 4 hour rejection. That's explained to my, if the price gonna break this level, then long here, or if the price gonna break this, then we're taking a short, then we keep taking a pullback short here. As you can see here, the price reverse. As you can see here, price nicely broken. After that, as long as the momentum is bearish, guys, just keep taking a pullback short trade here. So you can see, guys, how we analyze in 4 hour, how we analyze entries and exit in intraday and banking pips every single day. You can see some of the traders are still holding short on dollar CAD. All right, guys, as always mentioned, you should be, the interesting part of it is to watch those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the most interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, as always mentioned, that the best way to develop a trading skill to watch the market in live and watch the live analysis, intraday analysis in real time, and practice in real time and get the feedback on your trades at the real time. That's the best practice to develop a trading skill. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So if you are interested, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this weekend. Sorry to watching this video. Not weekend, because I was expecting today is my last day, Friday, and basically I'm just going to be relaxed because we had already managed amazing profit this quarter. We had amazing trade, no doubt, guys. So I hope, guys, you enjoy all this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time. All the best.